Welcome to my channel. In this video, we had to provide a solution to this radical equation on the board. We had to solve square root of 4 plus root x equals 5. Here we had to find the value of x that will satisfy this given equation. First, I put down here solution. I come down here with a question. Square root of 4 plus square root of x equals 5. Here, the first step you need to be considered is to square both sides of the equation so that the radical sign here can be removed. Then the equation becomes square root of 4 plus square root of x all squared equals 5 all squared. Then here, square root will eliminate square, and the equation becomes 4 plus root x equals 5 to the power of 2, that will give you 25. Now, the next step is for you to move these constants 4 to the right hand side of the equation, and the equation becomes square root of x equals 25. To move further down here, it becomes negative 4. But if we simplify it further, you're going to have the square root of x equals 25 minus 4, that to give us 21. Then again, you need to square both sides of the equation again so that this radical sign can be removed. Then the equation becomes square root of x all squared equals 21 all squared. Then here again, square root will eliminate the square, and we have that x equals 21 to the power of 2, simply implies 21 times 21. Then as such, x equals 21 times 21, that will give us 441. And this is the value of x that will satisfy this given equation here on the board. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.